Hello, this is the first video of a new series in Java Under the Hood about the Java array. In this demo I'll demonstrate what arrays are, how they can be created or instantiated, and how you should interpret an array variable. In this class consisting of only the main method, I start by declaring array variable numbers1 and assign null to it. The actual array for numbers1 is then created using the new keyword. The array for numbers2 is immediately created using an initialization syntax with 3 elements. Then using it with new, this time with 3 different values. And finally I assign numbers1 to numbers2. Let's see what happens in memory when I execute those statements. I start by setting up the stack frame of the main method with its arguments parameter. Then the declaration of array variable numbers1. Now, instead of initializing with null, I could immediately assign it the result of an array instantiation. But what I want to emphasize here is the fact that the declaration of an array variable doesn't create an array. It is just the declaration of a local variable and thus will be stored on the stack. In this example, at the second position in the local variables array. Also, an array variable is by nature a reference variable, destined to hold the address of an object created on the heap. So you cannot assign a number or an integer to the variable. Numbers is for now assigned address null. Then the creation of the array at fictional address 1000. After the assignment, number1 holds the address of the array on the heap. Array containing 4 integers indexed from 0 to 3, and each integer is initialized to its default value of 0. So an array variable is a pointer to an object that is created on the heap. Then numbers2, similar to numbers1. So variable stored on the stack, creation of a new array of 3 integers at address 2000, of which each element is immediately initialized with the values 1, 3, and 6, and numbers2 referring to that array. With the creation of the third array at address 2500, and I repeat, these are all fictional numbers, numbers2 refers to that new instance. Note that the previous array is not referred to anymore. That array is now eligible for garbage collection. Finally, when assigning numbers1 to numbers2, we'll have both reference variables refer to the same array, because the content of numbers1, 1000, will override the content of numbers2, 2500. Both reference variables now refer to the same array. Another array will be eligible for garbage collection. So, to resume, arrays are objects and array variables are reference variables. I hope you have a better understanding about the Java array. Thank you for watching. Bye.